Have you ever wished there was a way to travel abroad, live in Europe, and experience a whole new culture without paying thousands in tuition or waiting years for sponsorship? What if I told you there is a little known route that allows you to live in one of the happiest countries in the world legally while building your future, your career, and your connections all at once? Stay with me to the end of this video because I'm about to uncover how ordinary people just like you are stepping into Europe without stress, without expensive consultants, and without fake promises. And the best part, this opportunity doesn't just open the door for you to travel, it gives you the chance to stay, explore work opportunities, and build a pathway for your future. Before I reveal the full details, let me know in the comments, if you had the chance to volunteer abroad, what cause would you love to support? Children, healthcare, the environment? Drop your answer below. I'll be reading and replying. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to the channel. If you are new here, you're very much welcome. My name is Peace, and on this channel, I share everything relocation that will help you live, study, and work abroad. So feel free to subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. I respond to all of them. Like this video so that YouTube can promote this video to a wider audience. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know how we do it here. Real info with verified links. Thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate your support. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive back right into the video. Now, let's be honest. Most of us dream about relocating abroad. We want better opportunities, safer communities, and brighter futures for our families. But when we start researching, the road looks so difficult. High visa costs, endless documentation, and agencies asking for money just to connect you. But here's the thing most people don't know. Some countries actually welcome foreign volunteers, and in return, they give you a legal visa, accommodation options, and an open door to build your life abroad. And there is one country in particular that is quietly offering this golden opportunity. A country known for its work-life balance, free healthcare system, and strong social welfare. A place ranked year after year as one of the happiest nations in the world. That country is Denmark. Yes, Denmark is not just beautiful, it's practical. Unlike many countries where volunteering visas are complicated or reserved only for EU citizens, Denmark has a special visa category just for volunteers from outside the EU. This visa allows you to legally live in Denmark while volunteering with an approved organization. You are not just a tourist, you actually receive a residence permit that covers the entire period of your volunteering. And here's why this is special. You don't need a university degree. You don't need years of work experience. You don't even need to pay an agency to connect you. All you need is a genuine interest in contribution, an organization willing to host you, and the right application submitted through Denmark's immigration system. Okay? So this video is very, very important and vital, so do not skip any part of this video. Listen carefully. Let me break it down step by step for you. This Denmark volunteer visa. Okay? The eligibility, that is number one. You must be at least 18 years old. You must have a valid passport. You must secure a placement with the recognized Danish organizations that accept international volunteers. The good news is that I've done my homework for you. I'll be providing the links to those organizations for you to take a look and apply. Okay? Step 2. What the visa allows you to do. Stay in Denmark legally for the entire period of your volunteering. You can engage in meaningful community work, from elderly care to environmental projects to cultural exchange programs. Explore opportunities for networking, language learning, and future career pathways in Denmark. And the duration, let's talk about it. The volunteer residence permit is usually valid for the length of your volunteer contract. Many placements run from 6 months up to 18 months, depending on the project. Okay, let's talk about the costs. Okay, I give you guys everything you need to know so you can make an informed decision. Okay, the Danish government charges an application fee, usually around 250 Danish euros to 300 euros. Okay, but compared to study visas or work permits, this is very low. Okay, so if you're among those people that want everything done for you free of charge, I'm sorry, you can't benefit in this video. Okay, because this one you have to pay for it. Okay, there's a cost for it. Okay, and it's very, very small compared to study visas or work permits. Some organizations may also provide accommodation, food, or pocket money. Okay, so you have everything at the platter of gold. Okay, now here is the secret sauce most people don't share. You can actually find volunteer placement directly through Denmark official volunteer portal. Link is in my description. Okay, this website lists thousands of opportunities across Denmark in different sectors. Okay, let me make this clear. It's not because it's a volunteer work, you just want to do anyone. You have to be passionate about it because this is something that will be very rewarding for you in the long stay in Denmark. Okay, and the different sectors are social care, child care and youth activities, healthcare support, environmental and sustainability projects, cultural exchange and language teaching. And here is the best part. Many organizations specifically write their posting in English, which means they are open to international applicants. If you have been around this channel, you know I give you guys link. I've provided everything for you for your convenience. Check my description. Okay, so how do you apply? Let me break it down the exact steps so you know how to move forward. First, visit the Denmark International page. I've dropped the link below and search for volunteer positions. Step 2, filter for roles that accept English speakers or international volunteers. As you're listening to me now, if you're interested in going to Denmark, you need to write down this point step by step, okay? Or you always come back to watch this video so you can know exactly what you're doing, okay? Step 3, reach out to the organization directly through the platform. Step 4, if they accept you, they'll provide documentation of your volunteer contract. Step 5, with that contract, you can now apply for the Danish volunteer visa on the official immigration site. Okay? You know, I don't just give you guys anyhow videos. I'm going to give you tips to stand out. Okay, this is volunteering position we're talking about, and we have a lot of competitors. Okay, so you have to tailor your CV to highlight soft skills. Soft skills is different from key skills. Take note of this. Okay, like communication, caregiving, teamwork. Okay, then write a clear motivation letter. Explain why you want to volunteer in Denmark and how you contribute. Okay, CV guidance, sample cover letter guides is for my level 3 members only. Okay, so if you're a peace elevator member and you're looking forward to you're looking forward to go to Denmark, send me an email. Okay, all right. If you already have some volunteer or caregiving experience, make sure to highlight it. Okay, also apply to several organizations, not just one. The more you apply, the higher your chances. Okay, so now let's talk about the lifestyle in Denmark. As a volunteer in Denmark, you'll be living in one of the safest and most advanced societies in Europe. Bicycles are everywhere. Food culture is rich, and healthcare and education systems are world-class. You also get to build valuable international networks. Many past volunteers have gone on to secure jobs, extend their stay through other visas, or even use the experience as a stepping stone towards permanent residency later in life. A quick and important reminders. This is not a shortcut to guaranteed permanent residency, but it is a legal and affordable way to enter Denmark and open doors for the future. Always apply through official sites. Avoid agents promising fast results for money. Make sure your documents are accurate and your motivation is genuine. Okay? So, if you've been looking for a way to start your journey abroad, Denmark's volunteer visa might just be your golden ticket. It's affordable, it's real, and it's available now for people who are ready to take the next step. Okay? I will leave the verified links for you and the Danish immigration application page in the description. Okay? And if you want to join my membership, links is in my pinned comments. And bestie, don't just watch and move on. Take action. Even if you apply to one organization today, you are already one step closer to making your dream a reality. Before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Share this video with someone who has been dreaming of moving abroad, and check the pinned comments and description for all direct links you need, and also link to join my channel membership where I guide you step by step with extra resources. Today we are running dreams. Together we are turning dreams into reality, one opportunity at a time. Thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay consistent, and you don't want to miss my video coming up on Wednesday. Turn on your bell icon so I'll be the first to watch it when I drop it, okay? A big shout out to all my amazing channel members. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Because of you, I'm able to keep bringing life-changing job opportunities and resources every week. I appreciate you deeply. And if you'd like to join the family and enjoy exclusive perks like free CV and cover letter templates, just click the join button below this video. Until next time, you know I'm seriously rooting for you. I wish you all the best. Remember, Jesus loves you and I love you too.